Hi, I'm Dr. Jen Milks, a specialist in nutrigenomics and nutraceutical formulations. Allow me to introduce you to Extending Me's foundational panel, a comprehensive nutrigenetic assessment that provides personalized insights based on an analysis of multiple genetic variants. By evaluating polygenic risk scores across various categories, the panel helps individuals understand their genetic predispositions and offers tailored recommendations to enhance their overall health and well-being. We will have an in-depth look at each category covered by the foundation panel. Longevity. The genetic assessment of longevity involves evaluating genes associated with aging and lifespan. It examines genes associated with longevity, cellular repair mechanisms, inflammatory response, age-related macular degenerations, cardiovascular risk, and Alzheimer's diseases, which are crucial for determining an individual's potential aging trajectory. By analyzing these markers, the panel predicts whether a person is likely to experience normal, accelerated, or slowed aging. This information helps in understanding the individual's potential lifespan and how their body might age over time. Muscular degeneration. This refers to the gradual loss of muscle mass and function due to age or disease. This category focuses on genetic factors influencing muscle health and susceptibility to muscular degeneration. The assessment looks at variants associated with muscle mass maintenance, strength, inflammatory response, endurance capabilities, vascular health, and risk for hypertension and cardiovascular diseases. By understanding these genetic predispositions, individuals can gain insight into their risk of developing muscle-related issues as they age. This information is crucial for implementing preventative measures and interventions to maintain muscle health. Cognitive degeneration. This encompasses the decline in cognitive function, including memory, reasoning, and thinking abilities, often associated with neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. The panel evaluates genes involved in memory, cognitive performance, neuroprotection, and psychiatric conditions. This assessment helps individuals understand their risk of cognitive decline and provides insight into how their genetic makeup might influence their cognitive health over time. Brain fog. Brain fog describes a state of mental cloudiness characterized by difficulty concentrating, poor memory, and general cognitive dysfunction. The genetic assessment for brain fog involves examining markers related to neurotransmitter function, brain energy metabolism, sleep disorder, and inflammatory responses that may impact mental clarity and cognitive performance. Understanding these genetic influences can aid in addressing symptoms of brain fog and improving overall cognitive health. Optimism. This component evaluates genetic influences on personality traits, such as optimism and emotional resilience. It examines genetic markers associated with mood regulation, emotional well-being, and stress responses. By understanding these genetic factors, individuals can gain insights into their predisposition toward positive thinking and emotional stability, which can impact their overall mental health and outlook on life. Metabolism. Metabolism refers to the complex set of biochemical processes that occur within living organisms to maintain life. These processes involve the conversion of food and nutrients into energy and the synthesis and breakdown of molecules essential for cellular function. In the context of genetic analysis, metabolism encompasses the study of how genetic variations influence the efficiency and effectiveness of these biochemical pathways. This includes how the body metabolizes macronutrients, lipids and carbohydrates, insulin, maintains circadian rhythm, and metabolic syndromes such as obesity and diabetes. Genetic assessments of metabolism can reveal predispositions to metabolic disorders, variations in energy utilization, and differences in how individuals process and utilize nutrients, impacting overall health, weight management, and disease risk. Substance metabolism refers to how our bodies process and break down drugs and other substances, which is heavily influenced by our genetics. Recent research has uncovered several important genetic factors affecting this process. For example, some people have a genetic variation in the CYP2D6 gene that causes them to metabolize certain drugs poorly, which means these individuals might experience stronger or longer lasting effects from these medications. Another gene, CYP3A5, affects how well people process a common drug called tacrolimus, with differences observed based on race. Additionally, the SLC01B1 gene impacts how well drugs are taken up by the liver, with various genetic variations affecting this process. These findings highlight how genetic differences can influence how we respond to medications and emphasize the importance of personalized medicine to tailor treatments to individual genetic profiles. This information is valuable for understanding individual differences in substance metabolism and can inform dietary and lifestyle choices to manage intake effectively. Gluten. The gluten sensitivity assessment identifies genetic markers related to gluten-related disorders, including celiac disease and non-celiac gluten sensitivity. By evaluating these genetic variants, the panel helps determine an individual's likelihood of experiencing adverse reactions to gluten, which can affect digestive health and overall well-being. Lactose intolerance. This category evaluates genetic predispositions to lactose intolerance, which affects the ability to digest lactose found in dairy products. The assessment identifies genetic variants that influence lactase enzyme production and lactose digestion. This information is crucial for managing symptoms associated with lactose intolerance and for making dietary adjustments to ensure digestive comfort. The physical fatigue component examines genetic factors related to energy levels, endurance, and susceptibility to fatigue. It assesses variants involved in energy metabolism and physical stamina. This helps identify genetic influences on overall energy levels and fatigue, providing insights into how these factors might impact daily activities and physical performance. By understanding these genetic predispositions, individuals can gain a clearer picture of their health risks and areas of potential concern. This knowledge empowers them to make informed decisions about their lifestyle and health management. Thank you so much for viewing our introductory video of our foundational panel. Be sure to contact us if you're interested in offering these services in your practice. One of our onboarding staff members will be happy to assist you.